Okay, so as I was discussing packages, what is packages? Packages are in Java are folders, which is a group of similar types of classes, interfaces, and sub packages. Nothing but we create a folder to group logically related class interfaces and sub packages. It's simple related to other folder. Okay, package can be categorized into two types. One is built-in package and user-defined package. See, let's go back. Let me create a package and a source for class 8 because I would like to create class 8 related files under class 8 only. Fine. Now let me go to class 7 and open any of the file. Uh, no. Okay, let me go to other one. Okay, no. See, I will go to another project. I'll show you what is default package. Okay. See here, so far we have understood package, right? So we can create logically related files under the package. How do you use that? See, for example, can you see here import? Okay, the import is a keyword, it's a Java keyword. By using this keyword, so other package, other folders, other package you can import into current class. Okay, it's just simple. See now, class 7 has so many classes. Now, all these classes I would like to access in class 8. What I do, I mean class 8 package. So what is the concept? So recall the concept of inheritance. So let me create a new class here. Okay. So now I just created a class. It has public static method as well. So you have understood the public static void main method. Why we use this? Um, See now I would like to access a class. What I do? Extends inheritance class. Okay, class A. Okay, so when you mouse over on this, you will get a quick suggestion like this: import A. What is that import? Import is the keyword, Java keyword, which will be used to import another class from another package to the current package. Just click on this. See now, you will get to see one line has been added automatically. That means we are importing class 7 package A class. Okay, you are not getting any error here. Okay, if I create now, for example, so A is the object of A class. So under this, I can access all methods. See here, print, show, whatever, right? Got my point. So this is the concept of import and package. So that means the so from another package you can access the another package members. So the class files are files which you have created under a package we call as package member. This is class 7 member. And whatever class I'm going to create under class 8, these are the class 8 members. Okay. So in Java like that, There are two types. One is user defined and predefined default package. So we are keep seeing that many packages since first class. Array, so let me open. I think we haven't used any package. Great. Okay. So now let me take another example. Now I want to access. See, I told you class A, right? So just click on dot here. See here, you can see all class file which are present in the class 7 package. So if you just dot and use star, what does this mean? Dot star represents you can access all classes. Okay. Now irrespective of any class names under class 7, whatever classes are coming, sorry, under class 7 package. So whatever classes are coming, all those classes you can directly access. See, for example, now address, I will change to address. See, animal, and let me use car. Okay, so same way, similarly make it static because we are accessing the static field inside public class, right? Because this is public static method. So I will create car C of car. Oh, sorry. Now C dot, see, all methods related to C, because C doesn't have any methods or properties. That's why you could see only objects related methods, because C is intern, car class is intern accessing the extending the object class. Correct? Fine. So that's about the package. So simple, this is just a folder structure. It's a folder. You can, by using import key, you can access the other package classes. Okay. So if you use class 7 dot star, all class you can access. If you use only specific class name, okay, so then you can access a specific class members. Okay. What do we call this? If you're giving package name and class name completely, we call as fully classified name. Fully classified name. Okay. If you're giving full name, package name and class name. If you're giving just dot star, okay, it's just a simple name. So there's a difference. If you're specifying giving class name, it's called as fully classified name. Okay. Any doubt? Fine. So you don't have any doubt. So this is about user defined package. Okay, default package. Let me go to other project. I'll explain you that. See here. So in future, definitely you will see the lot of packages we will be using. See, for example, now say import org.openqa.selenium by. This is the Selenium package. Okay, as of now, just understand this. There's a predefined, a predefined package which is comes with the Selenium jar files. We'll understand what is jar files in future. Okay, these are all already predefined. Means somebody has been created this. Now we are using them. That's all. See, Firefox, what is this? A class. What do you call this? Fully classified name. So till Selenium, what is this? Is a package. See, you can see the symbol here. Firefox is a package. Means org is your one package. Under that OpenQA there is one package. One more folder has been created. Selenium one folder. Firefox one folder. Under that Firefox driver is a class. Means Firefox package has lot of classes and package information. See here under Firefox, so some more folders, sub packages have been created. So these many classes, interfaces. That is what we have seen the definition, right? Which is a group of similar types of class and interface and sub packages. Okay. Fine, no problems. You'll understand this more as and when we go to the Selenium concept. So this is about the package. So there is nothing, very simple. The folder structure, we are accessing the files which are present under this package folders, and using import key you can access another package classes in current class. Okay. So you will get these questions in interview. You may get questions like what is package, why do we use it, how to create, how to delete, what is how many types of packages are there, built in, user defined. Okay, if it is built in, so example, give an example. So as of now, so you have understood the Selenium packages, right? I'll future I'll explain you other packages. Okay, why do we use packages? The package and import sections in Java program. Yeah, one more thing. See, when you create a class, the package name also created here. So if you're creating any class under any package, the first line is always package name and your package keyword and package name. Next, import key if you are accessing any class from other package. This is optional. Okay, here we are using that. And public class name, this is a class block. This is the standard structure of a class. Okay, even package is also an option. Let's assume you are creating a class under source file itself. See here, class has been created but no package information. You can see default package. Eclipse is taking by default package. That means you don't see here, but this class has been created under source folder itself. Okay, if you go to source location, you can see here this is wrong in fact, so we should not do, but Eclipse, it don't throw any exception, but still this is not a standard practice. Okay, if you want to create any classes, create a package and create. Okay, that's all about the packages. Okay, now let's understand the access specifiers. Fine. See, so far, let me take an example of class 7. See, we have created many classes, methods so far, right? So we keep seeing that in every class and every methods, public keyword. Got it? So I keep telling that, so you will study this, you will understand what is this in future. Okay, and then we have seen the special method, public static void, main method also. That is also public, and you have already understood why method is public, because that main method is the method which should be accessible from the JVM. JVM is outside your project, outside your class. So JVM is one which will execute your class. So that it has to access the method, main method. So that's why main method should be public. That means if you indicate any method or class public, that can be accessible even outside your project. Okay, we'll understand that in detail now. So what I'll do, I'll just create a class. Okay, so as soon as I create a class, public class with class name has been created. Okay, so let me have a couple of methods inside. Public void uh, method 1. Similarly, I would like to have 3 more methods. Let me give different names. Fine. So all are public. What does this mean? You can access these methods and even this, including this class, even outside this package. Okay. So before explaining this practically, let's see the theory. See, we have seen, see, access modifier is nothing but just a it's a it's just keywords, the Java keywords, so which you can use to control access to your class members or including class. Okay, we know what is class, we know what is class members. Class is a template which can have action and nothing but methods and variables. Methods and variables are the members. We can declare them as public, protected, default, and private. These are the different types of access modifiers. So let's see the public now. See, the public is the access modifier. Okay, so yeah, see, within class, yes, using public within class, any members can be accessible. Yes. Within package, yes. Within package, any class can access any class. Simple, right? See, now I will create a, yeah, see, now for example, access modifier demo. Yeah, package demo, right? See, now I want to access this package demo under this. How do I do? So it's very simple, correct, right? So we know that inheritance, otherwise we can create aggregation. Recall aggregation concept now. Okay. What is aggregation? So a class has the reference of another class. Guys, so every class I will be using, see, you can observe that each and every topics are interlinked each other. Okay, so we are using aggregation here. See now, so how this class is accessible inside access modifier demo, because this is public. Now using this, I can access any methods which are present in the package demo. So let me create some methods here. Accept my method, public void p method 1. See, there are 2 methods in package demo. Now I would like to access them here. Yes, you can access. Why? Since these are package public. That is what this table is showing here. Public within class, yes, obviously within class. So this method can be accessible inside this. Yes, it is possible because it's a public, I mean within class any member can be accessible, and this method can be accessible inside this. Yes, correct. So that means within class these members, so for example let's create, this is also a variable, right? Let's create normal variables, int a, int b. Fine. So now uh, let me access here a is equal to, yes, because this is also public. Let me give as of now public, but I'll tell you how, even without giving public, how it could be public sometime later, today only. See, now it is accessible. If you create any variable inside a method, it's not accessible because that is local variable concept. Let's try this. So let's try to access a here. Because I'll make this. See, illegal modifier. Public, any variable you cannot declare as public inside a method. This is the rule, Java rule. Because if you are giving any access specifier, specifying access specifier for the any variables inside the local variables, that is not allowed in Java. That is only you can declare outside the method. This is the rule. Okay. Fine. So this is simple. Variable concept already we have understood. Now, by using package demo, yeah, access modifiers, see, all these methods you can access from the package demo. Fine, that means because it is the public. So let me go to table. So here public within class, as we have understood, as it can be accessible. If any member public within package, yes, accessible. Because in another package, it's the same within the package. This is within package concept. So if it is public, it can be accessible without having any problem to another class. So outside the package by subclass only, yes. Nothing but outside the class. So outside the package, that's we have seen that. See, for example, now if I want to access the animal class inside access specifier, what I should do? I should make animal class as child of access specifier demo, access demo, I mean modifier demo class. How to make it child? Extends what? Animal. So now you will get a quick fix. See, import it. By using import, you can access other package class. That's what we have understood in the package concept. Now I can create a reference of animal, and I can access the animal class members. See, here you could see all members which are public. Animal class, right? See, run is a public. So let me go to animal class here. It has run method. See, I can access this. See, heat is there, run, there are two methods I can access, right? Because those are public. So this is the concept of public key access specifier. So now outside the package, yes. So that is obviously just recall the concept of JVM running the main method. So main method is public, so JVM can access the outside the package. Okay. Any doubt? That's about the public key. You asked me to record the class and you slept, is it? Huh? Okay. So now let's take the another keyword called as private. No, default. Default nothing but it's simple. Okay, if you are not declaring any method, okay, if you're not declaring any method or any class with the access specifier, it's called as default. Default again, it behave like 80% behave like public only. Simple. See here. Default within the class, yes, you can access any members. Within the package, yes, you can access. But outside the package cannot be accessible. Fine. See now I just did p method 1 as default. So I was accessing. See, we have a reference variable of package, right? So now let me within the package is accessible. So let's take an method animal class method. Let's make eat as default. Now go to access modifier demo. So animal, we have a reference here. So animal, I'm accessing animal reference. Now I should not see eat method. Yes, I could see only run and run. These are the two methods coming from the animal because these are public. But earlier I I could see animal class method eat also, but now I'm not able to see. What does that mean? Because it is a default access specifier has been indicated for that. Okay. If you try to access, it says it's not specified. Animal is not visible. Why visible? Because this has become default. Let me make it public. Now that error will go. See, I can access now. If I make it default, you will get to see an error. See here, as soon as you make it, error has come, compilation error. Okay, that means any members which are default access specifier cannot be accessed outside the package even though it is subclass of that particular class. Outside the package, no. So like that, there are two more modifiers, private and protected. Even private is the same, private is another keyword. So let's use that. Let me make class as a private. It says illegal. Class cannot be private. A class cannot be declared as private because if you declare as a private, what happens? That class will be no use, useless, right? Because private members cannot be accessible from outside the class. It's only for you. So for example, you have some information with you, which are public information. You can tell to Hari, you can tell to anybody. Let's say you have some personal information with you, so you should not share that. You don't share that with anybody, right? So it's a private information only for you. Similarly, if any keyword has been indicated, access specifier, any class access specifier as private is indicated for any class or any members, right? Those class members cannot be accessed by even outside the class. It's only for within the class. See, it's only S. Within package, no. Outside package by subclass, no. Even outside package, no. Just try this as an assignment for you guys. Any other members, you just make it private. I will show. Okay, I don't give you this assignment. So access demo, we have, go to package demo and make this method as private. Fine. Now if I go here, see, it says, see, the method from the package demo is not visible because it has been private. Change the visibility of p method 1 to default. It's a minimum least level of access specifier to access the any members. Since I have specified this as private, it cannot be accessible from any class, even though it is small, child of that particular class, or even outside the package cannot be accessible. Okay, so that is the concept of private. So any member, if you declare as private, it cannot be accessible by class. Great. So similarly for protected as well. The protected means it something within family. Some information you have within family you can share, not for outside family. Just compare like that. So protected, yeah, within class, within your class family it can share. Within package, yes, within relatives you can change. Outside package by subclass, yes. People like, let's say you are married to other family member, right? So then, so that information can be shared with the other family because you have a marriage relationship with them. So that something like that. Just compare like that. Okay. So out somebody like the your neighbors or just friends or whatever. So those information cannot be shared, protected like that. So outside package is something like outside your family, outside package but subclass. Then that is something like in a marriage relation. Within package nothing but within your family. Not only your family, within your entire the brother, sister, uncle, family. So all are blood relations. So within class means your family, your house, your parents and you and your next siblings. Okay, something like that. Just protect it. Simple guys. This is called as access specifiers. See this concept, satisfies us the encapsulation. So hoops, in hoops, Java is object oriented concept, right? What is hoops? Object oriented programming language. So encapsulation is one of the topic, one of the concept which supports by Java. This is called as access specifier is the best example, is the main example for the encapsulation. Encapsulate means encapsulate, protect. So for example, any lines of code you can write inside the a particular method. You can group your lines of code and write inside a particular method. It's called as encapsulate. That again you are by specifying access specifier, you are protecting that access. So this concept called as encapsulation concept. Okay. In interview, if you get give an example for encapsulation, then you can say access modifiers. Okay, methods, class, Just define why. Because methods and class are groups logically related informations. A class I can group the particular class members. A method can group particular logically related code statements. Where we can encapsulate within a group. We can make it group and we can specify some modifiers to control the access into them using access modifiers. That's why access modifiers and methods and classes are the best example for the encapsulation. Fine. And polymorphism, we have already I have explained. What is overloading? Okay, overriding. All these, I mean, constructor overloading is the best example for the polymorphism because a method can react multiple ways by changing its states. Okay, definitely in interview, if you go to developer interviews or testing interview by saying that I'm coming from the Java background, these kind of questions you would expect from the OOPS concept. Okay, that's about access modifier, guys. So this is very important. I think from now onwards you will understand why any class or class members are public, private, and default. Any doubts? Okay, I hope you don't have any doubts, so I'll let me proceed further. Next topic is exception handling. Very, very important concept. Okay, let me stop this recording because I'll make it another class.